Ntukaku, Ojemba, Igbo, Anyanwụ, Ndweri, most outstanding Igbo indigenous culture and traditional ambassador for year 2026. Let's clap for him.
Ntukaku, Ojemba, Igbo, as most outstanding Igbo indigenous culture and traditional ambassador. Your presentation during our visit to Oka was top-notch, and the council found you worthy to be receiving this honor to do. Second congratulations.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Ekelemun, Igbo ekelemun, Igbo here, Igbo one, Igbo zone, Igbo zone. Ekelemun. Mandela na su Igbo ekelecha mu because he had the Supreme Council of the Traditional Herbal Association now. What they are doing is noble, and I want to thank Your Royal Majesty. I thank you for the wonderful work you're doing. This is, I think, it's about English. Why I'm speaking English is for people that are not understanding our own language. This is about 5 years that I've known you, but the first time I met you was in Oka. I followed you. The person that referred me to you was from the United States, not even in Nigeria. He saw our work and said, no, there is someone that I want you to go meet. I tried to book an appointment with you, but because of your busy schedule, we've not been able to come to your palace. I want to thank you, especially. And also, I want to say a very huge thank you to the Sarikin Magani for gracing this occasion with your presence. This shows that the unification of the black race is possible, and it is happening right before us. For the traditional people, first of all, to recognize their African roots and unify based on that traditional line. That means we are conquering the oppressors, divide and rule. So thank you. And I want to say thank you, a very big thank you to my own people that I've been working with for over how many years now. Ajim Monagoro, Ajim. Ekenem ezigbote ọkwaka m onye mụ na-eso chikọ nze na Aguleri. Ana m ekene gị, Ichie Anyanwụ Agboke, ekene m gị. Ekenekwe m ndị Igbo niile, ekene m ndị na-akwụkwọ ndị Igbo ebe a. Ekene m unu niile. The journey butere anyị ebe a taa from 4 years ago. I bidoro ngagharị ịchịkọta Igbo ọnụ. From here, in fact, this is a homecoming for me. I will celebrate it later on, but it's a homecoming for me because I started from here. I started from River State. I started from Obiabo here, going from street to street in a major evangelize to Umunemundi Ikwere. I bidoro gawa villages named Ikwere. Now when I say, I don't know na Sobia, more na Sobia, nebemsi from Imo State. I don't know na Bochuku, more women na Bochuku, nebemsi from Imo State. No one na Bo. And that is the birth of Unified Igbos Now, which is, I am the convener of Unified Igbos Now, and we have been waxing strong. From Unified Igbos Now, we have established the International Amaboro and one name International Unification, where we have been traveling all around Africa and Europe and America in Ejikota, from the Caribbeans and everywhere. So I say thank you, and this award today marks that I thank you all, and I say that we must continue to unify and bring peace to the world. Thank you.
Thank you. Another long speech. Okay. APJ 425 CQ. APJ 425 CQ. All right. Next award. Just